This is in the inside of an IKEA Fyrtur battery operated blind. I've taken it apart because it is not working properly. So you can see the motor is a TQL25-K2972. Barcode in there as well. Ribbon cable coming up from the motor. Comes into this little PCB here, which then comes through into the main PCB. Solder there. Then we've got a module, radio module here, which is in a can, and some pretty shocking solder work, if I'm honest. There's the antenna. You can just make that out. Can you make that out? Just barely see the trace. Excuse the mess behind me. Almost as shocking as the solder. This side looks quite fascinating. Don't know if the camera can zoom in on that. A few bubbles there, and I might have to get the microscope out, but you can see it's there's almost a couple of bridges on that as well. Solder's not shiny. Yeah, it's not a great job, to be honest. Battery connections, it just picks up the two. Yeah, there's nothing else going on there. It just takes the positive and negative from the battery going in. So maybe you could hook this up to a external power source. But yeah, my problem is that the blind goes down okay, but as it's going up, it cuts off way too early. So it's like it's sensing a volt drop. So it could be that this motor's just goosed. And I need to put this all back together and try and return it. But it's apparently April, May time before any of the stores are going to have replacements in. And I threw away my old blind because this has been working fine for a couple of months. Yeah, I might plug the battery back in and try and hook up the voltmeter and just watch what kind of changes are happening while it's running, see how noisy it is, the feedback from the motor that's causing it to trip. Well, there is some circuitry on the back side here. It'd be great if there was a variable resistor that we could tweak. You've got a couple of buttons, LED. What's that component there? Let me just look with a 3-pin device that is a V1QJ. A bunch of caps. Might have to have a closer look at this and just see if there's a problem with the supply. But anyway, the inside of a wireless battery operated roller blind, the Fyrtur.